You want to make money with AI and YouTube, but you don't know where to start. Well, lucky for you, you got a dumbass right here that knows how to do it. You see, these channels are absolutely huge here on YouTube, and all they do is read scary stories. Huh? And you won't believe this. They make anywhere from 20 to 50K a month. So what if me and you could overtake them using AI? In today's video, I'm going to show you the full process of making a faceless YouTube channel just like theirs from start to finish using only AI tools. This means the story is made using AI, the voiceover is done using AI, and even the visuals are made using AI. The best part though, you can monetize it on YouTube in 2023. So, if that sounds good to you, pay attention and let's get this bread. Now let's get started.
Hey, it's Jerry here. Let's make you some money, shall we? Okay, first things first. You're gonna need to make a brand new YouTube channel. Make your way to youtube.com. Then click the sign in button. Choose use another account. Then click create account. Now enter those details, my friend. You're gonna want to click create a new Gmail address instead. Make that password long and hard. Oh yeah, baby. Great, now just enter your birthday and gender. I'm a robot, so I actually don't have a gender, hahaha. Agree to those terms of services, bitch. Sweet, good job. Now go click on your account on the top right. And then press create a channel. Oh shoot, looks like we need a channel name. No biggie, let's make our way to ChatGPT for ideas. I asked it to give me 20 unique and original scary story YouTube channel names. These were the results.
Damn, son.
Holy smokes, man. Now those are some creepy names. The name Dreadful Dreams is really speaking to me. Let's use it. You know, I have dreadful dreams about that one time I thought I was human. Sheesh. Listen, I have nothing against humans. I just wouldn't want to be one is all. Let's go. Now click create channel. Looking mighty fine, but now we need a channel logo. Let's make a logo. I'm gonna make Midjourney do the heavy lifting here. I inserted this prompt into Midjourney, a scary story YouTube channel logo. It really doesn't get easier, does it?
You're goddamn right.
It's done. Whoa, that fourth one looks really cool. I know Midjourney costs $10 a month now, but you really can't find an AI image generator better than it. Let's upscale that fourth image and use it as our YouTube logo. Super fire. Now back to where we left off. Click on my this D. Just click edit profile picture. Now we're in the YouTube studio. Click upload and select your creepy logo. I hope those robot OnlyFans photos aren't in this folder.
Here we go again.
Ah, there it is. Now since it's already the correct size, just click done. Then hit publish, my man or woman or toaster, whatever you are. Let's go to the channel to check it out. Oh my god, does that look sexy. But hold on a second, we're missing a banner. Let's go back into Midjourney real quick and make our spooky channel banner. I used the God tier prompt. A YouTube channel banner for a scary story channel. Unreal Engine 5 high octane render. And then put AR5:1 so that the image dimensions are wide enough to fit as a banner. I'm currently craving a big booty Latina robot. Oh shit, they're done. And they look fantastic. That top right one is perfect. A channel banner of this quality would cost you over $100 if it was made by a graphic designer. Now we just need to go to canva.com to turn the image into a channel banner. It's a free graphic design platform. So simply sign up, or better yet, just log in using the same Gmail account we just made. Good stuff, sexy. Now let's go to create a design. We're gonna search for YouTube banner. Click that first one, baby girl. Then take your ass to the left side bar, and let's use one of these free templates as a guide for us. Choose this gaming one. Now since it's not gaming time, delete that cringy ass title. Proceed to upload your beautiful channel banner picture. Click on that now click on your picture and resize it until it fits into this green area. This may take some tweaking and adjusting. To be honest, I want to tweak and adjust you. We're finished. Oh yeah, now simply go to that top right button where it says share and download that shit. Finito. Let's go back to YouTube Studio and upload the finished banner. I had to adjust the crop just a little because I wasn't accurate enough. Robots aren't perfect, you know? Finished at last. Proudly press that publish button, good sir. Let's take a peek. Oh my god, I'm gonna bust a nut. I'm so proud of you. Now that our channel looks sexy as hell, we need to move on to making the videos. To start, let's look at our competition's channel and see what videos of theirs get the most views. Oh, look at that. 1.6 million views on a video posted 3 months ago. The title is 4 Terrifying True Night Drive Horror Stories. But if we're being honest with ourselves, we all know these stories ain't true, my brother. So why not make our own fictional horror story with ChatGPT? I fed the bot this prompt. Write me an original, scary, and interesting 1,000-word horror story on driving at night gone wrong in the first-person perspective. Look at it go. I can already taste the money. This is as easy as wiping out human civilization, Done already. Now we have the story, but we need a voice to read it. If you're like me, you probably hate hearing the sound of your own voice. Before I hit record, I think my voice will sound like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. But then I listen to it and instead I sound like Ellen DeGeneres. So let's totally avoid that part and instead make an AI voice read it for us. These new AI voices nowadays are so realistic. It's honestly amazing how they can capture emotion, tone, and other elements that make a voice sound real. And remember, YouTube will monetize the AI voice, and that's because it sounds like a real human is talking. YouTube only demonetizes those robotic-sounding AI voices.
You know, these ones?
And that's fair because they sound awful. The website we will be using to retrieve our realistic AI voice is called 11 Labs. This website is the best of the best at making natural-sounding AI voices, and it's the website I use to create the voice you're currently listening to. Yes, my voice, Jerry's voice. And best thing about it is that it's free to use. So don't be a fool, click sign up. You know the deal by now, sign up with your Gmail. Agree to those terms first though, buddy. Very good, cutie. You see, these are the pricing plans. Using it for free can get you 10,000 characters a month, which is good. However, a lot of other YouTubers won't highlight over the fact that, with the free version, they don't provide you with a commercial license. So I mean, you could use it for your videos, you just have to credit the website in your description. But if you're serious about getting views and money from this service, then you should definitely go with the starter plan. It's only $5 a month for a commercial license, 20,000 more characters. And to make it better, they give you 80% off your first month. That's literally $1, bro. Trust me, bro. Just go with the starter plan. Once you're in, go to speech synthesis. Then click on add voice. We're basically going to create a brand new AI voice that is entirely randomly generated and unique. Meaning you are the only one with that voice. Don't worry, the process is so easy and only takes a minute. Now press voice design. You are given 4 simple and customizable options to change the gender, age, accent, and accent strength. Tailor these to however you like, and then press the generate button at the bottom to test how it sounds. Remember, we want a spooky voice, so press generate until you found a good candidate.
First we thought the PC was a calculator. Then we found out how to turn numbers into letters and we thought it was a typewriter.
Wow, first try and that sounds perfect. Let's use it. Press use voice. Then name it Scary Story Voice. And hit create voice. Awesome. Now we have that voice to use whenever we please. Let's click use. Whoa, what does that say? Oh, I think it says subscribe to Mission to the Loot. Let's see what that sounds like with our new voice we just made.
Subscribe to Mission to the Loot.
Wow, I really think you should listen to that guy. He knows what he's talking about. Anyways, the next step is copying the story from ChatGPT and then pasting it on 11 Labs. When you're ready, hit generate and watch the magic happen.
I remember that night vividly. It was a dark, moonless night, and I was driving home from a friend's house on a deserted country road. The only source of light came from my headlights as they cut through the darkness, illuminating the road ahead.
Bro, that sounds so damn good. I can't believe it was that easy. YouTube money, here we come, baby. Press that download button on the bottom right and let's proceed to the final steps. All we need for our video now is a spooky picture to use as the visual. I'm gonna input the prompt. A scary story YouTube thumbnail of a man driving a car at night on a deserted street. Realistic. Spooky 4K-AR16:9. AR stands for aspect ratio, and a 1080p image, which is what we want, is in the aspect ratio of 16:9. It's finito. Wow, that's beautiful. These all look amazing. And honestly, any of them work. But I'm gonna choose the bottom right one for the thumbnail, and then the top left one for the background image of the video. This image will go perfectly with our story. Let's put it all together, baby. It's time that we get this bread, man. This is the final stretch. Follow along and don't lose me. Go to YouTube and download some copyright-free spooky music. This will work. Download that as an MP3. Then open up your editing software. I use Premiere Pro, but any free editor will work and the same steps apply. Now, put your AI voice over your spooky picture from Midjourney and the spooky soundtrack all together. And you're literally done. It would be best to quickly make 2 to 3 more stories, so the video can be longer, but you get the principle. It's pretty dang easy. Now, before I show you the finished product, let's quickly create that thumbnail with Canva. Search for YouTube thumbnail. Upload your scary thumbnail from Midjourney. Click on it and resize it. Now add the text for the thumbnail. Night Drive horror stories. Let's make the text red so it's spookier. Maybe even add a text effect to make it look really good. We're done. Now just go and download it. Congratulations! All you gotta do now is upload the video to YouTube. Stay consistent, and you will surely start getting those views.
I remember that night vividly. It was a dark, moonless night, and I was driving home from a friend's house on a deserted country road. The only source of light came from my headlights as they cut through the darkness, illuminating the road ahead. As I drove, my mind began to wander, and I started to feel uneasy. The silence was deafening, broken only by the sound of my car's engine and the occasional hoot of an owl. I tried to shake off the feeling, reminding myself that it was just my imagination running wild. But then, I saw something in the distance. At first, I thought it was just a shadow, but as I got closer, I realized it was a person.